our workshop. My name is LaForge. I'm the Executive Director of the CDMA Development Group. Before we begin today, I'd like to thank our sponsors that you can see on the slide here, specifically Urbana, Alcatel-Lucent, Ericsson, Huawei, Motorola, Qualcomm, and CTIA. Our media sponsor is Wireless Week, so we'd like to thank them as well. The operative term of today's workshop is smart, I guess, and it's really smart devices, smart networks, and enterprises. We've, as the CDG, worked for some 20 years in the development of digital technologies going from 2G to 3G, and now we're seeing how we can leverage these networks that we put in place by making them smarter, whether it's with smart devices, smart networks, and now also some of the work we're doing in the enterprise space with machine-to-machine. These three areas, smart devices, smart networks, and enterprises, represent a subset of the activities that the CDG does, but nevertheless, really core work streams within our group. In each of these areas, we have significant programs. On the device side, we work with ODMs from around the world and many of the OS suppliers. Obviously in the enterprise space now, we have a significant effort working with some of the leading companies in machine-to-machine and leading standards organizations in developing machine-to-machine approaches. And then with the advancement of CDMA technology, we obviously are working all the time in terms of making the network smarter. So today I think we have a great opportunity to learn from some industry experts. Specifically in the smart devices side, we'll get an opportunity to hear a little bit about the advances in OSs. Things are really creating, as you can see in the industry, titanic shifts in the wireless industry. We'll hear a little bit more about the advancements, how these have all played into CDMA. At the bottom here you see some of the devices that are now also RED-B devices that are coming out. So I think we'll have a great opportunity to see how that's advancing our industry. And in particular, how, to use a term that I don't particularly like, how these devices now are driving a data tsunami, which I think is an overused term, and how these network operators, some of the leading network operators are looking towards advancements in network technology through heterogeneous networks, leveraging techniques such as DO Advanced and new technologies that we've been working on with our peers and manufacturers, and how they're using that to handle this new growing wave of data. In particular, one of the more advanced networks in the world is KDDI. We have an opportunity to hear from them in terms of what they're doing on their network, and they have multiple access technologies inside their network that they're using these techniques across the board. Finally, one of the areas that I think is particularly interesting, you've heard the term, I believe, before, the next 50 billion, or some people 20 billion, I think we're going to take a couple billion there. It's really the whole growth of the machine-to-machine space, or what we like to call connected smart devices. And within the CDG, we've created a sort of a air interface agnostic group to deal with trying to advance the machine-to-machine space. So we welcome any access technology, any company involved in that space to come work with us, help develop the standards, drive the standards bodies, drive the commercial approaches and solutions to really address this great opportunity, which is connecting the next 50 billion devices. There's a lot of work that remains to be done in that to really have that nascent market take off. And we believe that the team that we have in place are making some significant advancements. So really, we'll hear more about that today. Manufacturers will tell us what we're doing, and we have the opportunity to hear from some of the top solution providers in that space. So it's a really good opportunity to learn about what's going on in the connected device space. To put CDMA in context, the team created a small video here, and I think it will give you an idea on CDMA evolution, what's going on with technology, and where we stand right now with subscriber count. And then after that, we'll kick off the session. So this is a good little intro.
changing the way people live, work, and play, while transforming industries across the globe through machine-to-machine communications. A leading source of revenue, CDMA 2000 is fueling the rapid growth of wireless, allowing operators to maximize value by leveraging existing investments while satisfying their customers' needs. The foundation of CDMA 2000 is its evolution path of groundbreaking technology, technologies that deliver the performance and economics required to meet the rapidly evolving needs of the mobile marketplace for the long term. These powerful technologies enable operators to enhance the value of their networks through smart investments based on software instead of costly hardware upgrades. The real value of CDMA 2000 is its ability to increase the bottom line for value-conscious enterprises. CDMA 2000 1X is the wireless industry's leading voice technology in capacity, quality, and coverage. Primarily a voice technology, 1X provides robust, clear connections for end users. 1X Advanced builds on 1X, quadrupling voice capacity while freeing up valuable spectrum and existing network resources to handle the growing demand for data. EVDO pioneered mobile broadband connectivity, making it a multi-billion-dollar business. The growth of EVDO surpassed all industry expectations. EVDO supplements 1X by providing high-speed data connectivity. EVDO Rev A perfected the mobile data experience and is widely adopted across the globe. Consumers are now captivated by the experience. It has dramatically changed the way people connect and communicate. It has also transformed the way companies do business, driving further productivity and increased customer satisfaction. EVDO Rev A's revenue-generating connections are fueling investment in future technologies. EVDO Rev B is the first multi-carrier technology being deployed to fulfill the demand for mobile broadband by aggregating more bandwidth to increase the capacity of EVDO and improve the user experience. EVDO Rev B is specifically designed to handle smartphone applications like email, video, instant messaging, and social networking. Rev B triples the speed or doubles the network capacity over EVDO Rev A. The next leap in data capacity and performance will come from DO Advanced. DO Advanced is the first technology to introduce smart network techniques that optimize performance in a cohesive and intelligent way. DO Advanced dramatically increases network capacity and performance using existing spectrum, network resources, and devices through a software upgrade. DO Advanced also leverages advanced topology networks with small coverage areas that place antennas closer to the end users. The technology responds to base station load variations by adding capacity where and when it's needed. CDMA 2000 maximizes value through smart investments by offering operators a robust and long-term evolution path. CDMA 2000 will continue to improve and remain a workhorse of the wireless industry for many years, transforming the world through innovation. What role will you play in this evolution? Join us in transforming the industry with CDMA 2000.
So again, thank you for participating in today's event, and we look forward to hearing some good questions and having some good dialogue today. Thank you.